Now, if you ever lock with password or pattern, you forget what it is for whatever reason, every Android phone has the ability to take you to recovery mode and perform something called hard reset. Hard reset, another word, is the same as doing factory reset, but not from the phone itself, from a different menu. Except the Nokia phones, I have all kind of problems trying to get into the recovery mode to perform hard reset. In this video, I will tell you why I failed to do hard reset for the Nokia G100. This variety stick. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let's find out. Now this is the Nokia G100. This is through Toro by Verizon. I'm not sure about the unlock variant or even Boost, they have the same phone, but this one specifically through Track Phone, Toro by Verizon and Straight Talk. Now if you have a password and you, for whatever reason, you forget the password or that pattern, unfortunately you won't be able to do anything to the phone. So technically you are wasting your phone 100%. Now I've been trying to go online and search here, there, contact some company just to find the answer how you do the hard reset if you get locked with a password and pattern. I was not able to find any useful information. Let me show you if we're gonna try to do the hard reset what exactly will happen. So first let's go ahead and shut the phone off by pressing volume up and power key together. Press power, so the phone is off right now. Now we're supposed to do volume down and power key together at the same time. So go ahead and do it. This should take us to this menu. And this menu you can navigate through some options they have here, like restart, reboot, loader, turn off the device, start, and that's it technically. What's weird is the Nokia G400 has an option recovery. If you press the power key, it will take you to the recovery mode, and then from there you can finish and do factory reset. Unfortunately, the G100 does not have any option where you go to recovery to continue the factory reset. So that's why you will be locked with the password and you're not going to be able to use the phone. There is some other ways you can do it. You have to install specific software and you have to do it on the PC, but just from the phone, a simple step like this, it won't help you. Now if you guys know any other way around to do the hard reset on the phone, and please let me know in the comment section below. Now in the future, if this phone receive update and the unlock, the reboot, I will make updated videos for you. And that was very much it for that video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will talk to you in the next video.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta